Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Rogers credit card bill. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how to do this, from online mobile banking to using a mobile app, in person, by mail, or pre-authorized debit. So I'm going to go through these one by one. So the first way is online or mobile banking. So from here, log into your bank account and add Rogers Bank MasterCard as a payee. Use your 16-digit Roger credit card number as the account number. Make the payment in Canadian dollars, but make note, payments may take 3 to 5 business days to process. Alright, the second way to do this, you can also pay direct through Rogers Bank. So log into your Rogers Bank account online or via the mobile app. Go to payment section, make a one-time payment or set up automatic payments if need be. You can also use your cash back rewards to help pay your balance. Or another way to do this is by person. So visit your bank in person and ask to make a bill payment. Provide your Rogers credit card number, make the payment in Canadian dollars. Now, if you want to do it old school, you can do it by mail. So make the check payable to Rogers Bank, include your 16-digit credit card number on the front of the check, mail it to their payment processing address. Now, if you want to avoid late payments, you can set up automatic payments. So from here, log into your Rogers Bank account, set up pre-authorized debit using your Canadian check account info. Choose to pay the full balance or minimum payment each month automatically.